Hey YouTubers, I know I haven't posted in a while, but my server rack been through some changes since then, and I'm actually tearing it down right now because I bought a new house, and this rack is currently at my friend's house, and I need to migrate it to my new home as well as new rack. This rack is actually pretty cool. It has a built-in AC, but the power consumption is crazy, so we're gonna be putting it into a different server rack. So I figured before I tore it down, which I actually did quite a bit already. I'll take a video to share with you how it looked before. I know the last video was in 2015, and it's 2020 already, so that was 5 years ago. So as you can see, it changed a lot, and right now it's actually at my friend's garage because so here's the back of it, and just like I said, I already pulled a whole bunch of stuff out. So I figure I'll take a video turn it down, as well as when I start rebuilding it. I'm gonna upgrade some hardware as well, and it's gonna be a whole new server rack at my new house, which I already have. It's a 42U, I think it is, a Dell, which I don't really like, but whatever. And yeah, so I'm just gonna pull some of the stuff. As you can see, I already loaded some stuff into my garage, my car, into my trunk. I got my switches there, shelves, and KVM. But today I'm just gonna pull some server. I think I'm gonna pull my R620 and maybe R610. Maybe, I'm not sure yet. That's my cold backup, still alive, but I think I'm gonna leave it there for today. And I'm gonna pull this switch 24, which I probably should get a new one, but it works and there's no reason. Alright, well, I'll be back. Alright, I pulled some stuff out. I guess that's all I can take for today. Just gonna go back home and see if I can install it. I don't think I'll be able to turn it up today, but so my server rack was actually off for about a year now, and I miss it very much. So I'm excited to get it back up. Well, I'm gonna go back home and show you guys my new rack. So I finally got home, and here's my new server rack. It is Dell 42U. Is my new QNAP 16 bay with 16 Samsung Pro 1 terabyte SSD drives. I'm actually pretty excited about this. Here's my old tickets that was converted to Synology. It's a little dusty. We're going through some major construction. Another UPS. I'm gonna have total of 4 UPS backup. This is my InPhase. It's a new controller for my solar. Right now I have I think it's 5.4 kilowatt system on the roof, and I also bought more panels just so I can run this server rack 24/7. This is, I think it's 3.5 kilowatt system that I still have to go get permits for and put them on the roof. And here's all the stuff that I brought, so I'm gonna rack it, stack it, and I'll be back. So here's what it looks like as of now, right now. I don't think I'll be able to do anything else today, but I will update you guys next week. I think I might be running out of space though, and the reason is I'm gonna have 4 of this up on top. That will take up 2U. And I'm gonna have 2 switches. Then I'm gonna have Cisco ASA, and then I'm gonna have my AV taking up about 14U. Then my shelf to hold the modem and stuff like that, and some IR blasters and serial to LAN. But yeah, I mounted my KVM. It's ready to go. I don't know. I'll try to turn up one of my servers because I have to run some cables and terminate some RJ45, and maybe I'll turn up my R620 and my QNAP. So yeah, I still have to run some cables. You know, the server rack is in the garage, so. And I have all of my cables coming over here. That's a big bundle. There is this is just the downstairs for the whole house audio, TV and internet and phones and cable and everything else. So I still need to figure out where I'm gonna and how I'm gonna connect. As of today, my internet is my Unify APHD and that 8-port Netgear switch and my OpenSense switch. It's all dirty, nasty, and here's my modem, which is Cox, and I think I have like 300 or 500 megs down and 30 up. So yeah, updates to come. And this is my server rack as of today, still building. Still have to wire it all up in the back. If you guys want me to do a time lapse, let me know in the comments below. See you next week.